the press presentation. And then eventually, maraming na heartbreak after ng result in 2022. And then you came back in 2023. So buti na lang talaga, hindi ka nawala ng pag-asa at bumalik ka ng 2023. So bakit hindi nawawala ng pag-asa isang CJ? Bakit ito pa rin tayo ngayon?
Kung heartbroken kayo, I was also heartbroken. I was also heartbroken. I wouldn't say it was my first national pageant kasi back in 2016 I also joined Miss Bikini Philippines and all. But it is one of the biggest national pageants I've joined after the pandemic. Kasi also I was actually planning to join during the COVID season pa. Pero it's the COVID, I have to prioritize also my family. Of course, I am the breadwinner, so there are things that I have to really weigh in during that time. So sabi ko, pandemic time. And so, nung 2022 na medyo okay na, that's when I joined Binibining Pilipinas. I would say I was really prepared for that competition na. But I was so heartbroken after that. But it's okay. It's really a good push for me to try no Miss Universe Philippines. And also, no first cut ng Miss Universe Philippines, I was so scared. Sabi ko, I think the first cut was top 18, right? Top 18. Sabi ko, hala, baka hindi ako tawagin ulit. Pero yeah, kasi parang I think I was called like 4th to the last or 5th to the last yata ako. That was already, parang feeling ko, wala na akong nakikita sa stage, wala na akong na-feel. Sabi ko, oh my God, I feel like it's happening again. Parang may ganong feeling during that time. But when I was called, I said, okay, the competition is back again. I have to do well with the swimsuit and then with the gown competition and then until we were crowned as first runner-up. So that's another push for me why I still join competitions. And of course, one of the biggest reasons is still I want to bring the flag, the Philippines in the international stage. So hopefully we'll be given the chance this time.
Yes, sana. And